In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically file CC's emails using the new Outlook rules in just 5 minutes. This guide is incredibly handy for organizing your inbox more efficiently, making sure you never lose track of emails you're CC'd on. First, ensure you're logged into Microsoft Outlook. Open the application or go to the Microsoft Outlook website. If you're not signed in already, you'll want to head over to the top right of the screen where you'll see the Sign In button. Click that and enter your email and password to access your account. Once you are in, direct your attention back to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on it and this will open up a sidebar with a variety of options for customizing your Outlook experience. In the options menu, you should notice a link labeled Rules. Click on it to move to the section where you can create new email handling rules. Now you should see a button that allows you to add a new rule. Click Add New Rule to start customizing how your emails are managed. Every new rule needs a name, so give your rule a title that makes sense to you. You might want to call it something like Autofile CC Emails, so it's easy to identify later on. Moving on, you will need to specify a condition for the rule. Scroll through the condition options until you find one that says I'm on the CC line. This condition ensures that the rule will only apply to emails where you are specifically listed as a CC recipient. After setting the condition, it's time to decide on the action that will be taken when this condition is met. You'll have several actions to choose from, but for today's task, you're going to select Move To. Another menu will then pop up asking you to select a folder where these emails should be directed. Click on Select a Folder, navigate through your options, and choose Inbox or any other folder you prefer for better organization. If you have a dedicated folder for such emails, that's even better. Finally, ensure everything is set up correctly, and once you're satisfied, click on Save to implement the new rule. The software should confirm that the rule has been saved, and from this moment on, any emails you're CC'd on will automatically be filed to the designated folder, helping you to maintain a clutter-free inbox. This process, as simple as it is, can greatly enhance your email sorting strategy, making sure you focus on what's important without the manual hassle of sorting through every single email thread. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.